What's up, guys? Today we're going kayak fishing. We're gonna catch some nice bass. We're gonna use Senkos or whatever works. And that's a fish, guys. First bass. Nice little largie, I believe. Nice. Such a beautiful fish. This guy's small though, so I'm just gonna let him back in the water. I'm not even gonna bother. Take a picture. See you later, bud. That's a fish. Oh boy. Well, so far, not too many big bass, but at least we're catching them. See you later, bud. Ow. I'm actually, like, I can't fight this thing. All it does is move me. Yeah, I set the hook into that thing. Got one. Oh, he's a good one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come here, buddy. Yeah. Nice bass. Oh, come here. Come here. Oh, a little bit of an acrobat right there. Oh, he's fighting pretty hard. Yeah. Not a bad size. Hey, Sean. Bud. Yeah, good hook set. Oh, don't want to put that in the water. Yeah. I'm having a little bit of trouble getting them in. Yeah, there you go. Nice kayak bass. He's a smallie though, and it's still fine. I love smallmouths. That sounds kind of weird, but oh, yeah, nice fish. Let's see if I can get him to. No, he's not really into it. Okay, nice fish. See him? There he goes. Bye, bud. Off he goes. Trying to change strategies. Now I'm going to be using this little plastic crankbait. That's a fish. I think I got a smallmouth. It's fighting pretty hard.
Moving my boat. Oh yeah. Nice little smallie. Got off. Say, give it a quick release, that's alright.
Oh, got one. Nice one. Yeah. Oh. No. We just got off. It's probably like 5 pounds. Well, not 5, but ugh, that was a really bad thing to say. He's probably like 2 pounds. 3-pounder. I don't know. Whatever. What do I have on here? What do I have? It's a bass. That is a small bass. Sean! I didn't even feel it. And he's... Did I snag him? Maybe he swiped and then... I mean, look at this. That is not a normal hook set. I mean... He probably swiped it and missed. I don't know how much I could do for him here, but he's a nice bass. Oh, okay, he's wiggling. Oh, got me all tangled up. There we go. There we go. All right. Nice smallmouth.